Hi Alex here live with earnings in GrubHub. This is the company that we refer to as bubble stock when we publish the article on the blog of the company. We have been discussing how to invest in GrubHub for a couple of years. When Wall Street had sell ratings, we gave a price target to this company $140. We downgraded to junk near 146, precisely the very top. Since then, the share price is down $100 per share. In fact, more, as you can see here live on the tape. And the most interesting about this investment process is precisely, in fact, rather similar to the case of Tesla that we discussed for many years, is the fact that at the very top Wall Street raised the targets and the share price collapsed during the crash in GrubHub, while we continuously downgraded or we reiterated a strong sell rating, and therefore you find multiple articles and probably 200 tweets with regards to this matter. The most interesting is that during the crash, Wall Street kept raising targets with a buy rating, and not long ago, in fact, one company, American, said that this was worth $77. Obviously a scam. So in the end, is to say that once again we proved, and this for 3 decades in a row, that Wall Street does not have any clue whatsoever with regards to the value of these companies. In other words, when the share price of this GrubHub was $27, they had sell ratings. Well above $120, they had strong buy ratings. So what you had to do, it was to follow the free advice that you had on the blog of the company, because those that they did it, today you don't have to work for the rest of your life, unless, my friend, you are a croc, an American croc, that followed or decided to follow Wall Street or believing in Wall Street lunches. In that case, you are obviously bankrupt. You are a moron or an instrument. That is precisely what Wall Street expected from you. And as a complete idiot, you are completely useless to the society, to your family, and your main interest for those that they have a brain is precisely to utilize your money, and today you don't have anything else. And obviously we, our customers, Wall Street included, are extraordinarily happy with these results, because, my friends, history repeats itself, and it has been always like this. Thank you.